Hello guys, today I'm gonna take a look at this Lenovo ThinkPad Universal USB-C docking station. So let's take a look. So we've got some warranty informations and instructions. Here we have power adapter, cable, docking station itself, and also USB-C cable, USB-C on both sides. The total length of the power adapter, both parts together, is 2.5 meters, and it can deliver 90 watts of power, and the USB-C cable, the length is 1 meter. So at the docking station itself, it's all plastic. That means it's very lightweight. It weighs just a little bit over 300 grams, which is really not much. And the approximate dimensions are 170 millimeters, 80 millimeters, 30 millimeters, or 1.18 inches, 3.15 inches, 6.73 inches. At the bottom, 4 small rubber legs that help to hold it dock on the table kind of firmly. The most important part, ports. So at the front you can find one USB-C. It can deliver up to 10 gigabits per second data transfer rate and 5 volts 3 amperes. You've got one USB-A in version 3.1 generation 2 that can also deliver up to 10 gigabits per second data transfer rate. Here we've got 3.5mm jack. It's a combo port for headphones and microphone. Also, right side we've got Kensington and Wedge lock. Left side nothing. And at the back, from left to right, we've got a USB-C connector for actually connecting docking station to the computer. Here is a power adapter connector. Here we have 2 times DisplayPort connectors in version 1.4, one HDMI version 2, 2 USB-A 3.1 generation 2, so data transfer rate up to 10 gigabits per second. The bottom one is with always on charging, so even when the connected computer is turned off, this one port can still deliver power, so you can, I don't know, charge a phone with it or whatever. Here we have one LAN port, Gigabit LAN port, and 2 USB-A, but just only in version 2, so it's good for connecting mouse or keyboard. And at the top of the docking station you can find on-off button, which is not for turning on the docking station, but for turning on or off your laptop, connected laptop. It mostly works only with Lenovo laptops. As I mentioned at the beginning, this docking station is supplied with 90 watt power adapter, and with this adapter you can charge laptops up to 65 watts. So if you have laptop that needs more watts, you need to buy different power adapter, and it's one with 135 watts, and that one can charge your laptop up to 100 watts. The maximum resolution that can go to the docking stations are 2 times 4K at 60 Hz and one 4K at 30 Hz at the same time. But don't forget, this applies for any docking station. The maximum video resolution you can get, it depends on your graphic card in the laptop, not on the docking station. Some of the features that this docking station supports are PXE boot, Wake on LAN, MAC address pass-through, for example. Right, let's take a look how we can turn the laptop on with the docking station. See the white light over there, and the laptop is turning on. So it's really a good thing if you want to have laptop hidden somewhere. You can have just docking station somewhere on the side of the table, monitor there, or You can also buy mounted bracket for the monitor, which means you can actually mount this docking station on the side of the monitors. It's mostly or probably only compatible with Lenovo monitors with that like one leg. And also laptop can be turned off or like sent to sleep through the docking station also, so it's kind of convenient. Right, here I have 3 monitors, one Ethernet port, mouse and keyboard connected to the docking station. So I'm gonna do just typical USB test. So USB stick is in the laptop. I send the data, so I got approximately 170 megabits per second. And if I send the same file to the same USB through the docking station, speeds are absolutely the same, 170 megabits per second, so that's perfect. Before that, I've already checked the internet speed through the LAN port on the docking station, and the speeds were exactly the same as when the LAN cable is in the laptop, so that's perfect. And docking station is not overheating, it's slightly like lukewarm. Here I have got Dell laptop connected to the docking station. The white light on the power on off button is on, which means docking station detects the laptop, but it just cannot turn it on. But everything else, all the ports and speeds, all is absolutely perfect. So the same as on the Lenovo laptops, only that on-off button doesn't work with non-Lenovo laptops. And here I got MacBook Pro connected to the docking station, and it looks like it's working, but it's not 100%. Problem is only with the displays, Mac can see 3 monitors only as a one, so it does work, but all 3 monitors behaves only as a one extension. But internet speeds and USB speeds, that's everything perfect. Also charging of the Mac, that's smooth, no problem there. But still it's not 100% functionality with Mac. And of course, as expected, on-off button on the docking station doesn't work with the Mac either. Right, so that's it about this docking station. Some pros: it's really small and lightweight. It's not the smallest one on the market, but still it's one of those docking stations I would really consider to have with me while I'm traveling, for example. Other thing, detachable USB-C cable for connection to the computer, that's perfect. And only minus is that 2 USB-A ports are only in version 2. Would be better if they were all in version USB 3. So that's it. Thank you for watching, guys. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the subscribe and see you next time.